Conditional formatting makes it easy to highlight certain values. It makes it possible to highlight the top values, the bottom values, values above average or values below average. Let's see each of these one by one. I have sales data in column D. Suppose I want to highlight the top ranked values in sales. I can do that by select the range first, go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, click on the top 10%. Say I want to highlight the top 20% of the data. Click OK. So it has highlighted the top 20% of data in green. Similarly, I can highlight the bottom 10%. In a similar fashion, go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, select the bottom 10%. Here I can put the value manually, so I want the bottom 20% of the data. Press enter. So it highlights in red the bottom 20% of my data. You can also highlight the data which is above average or below average. So select the range, go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, above average. So I'll select the data and it's highlighted in green the values which are above average. Similarly, if I want to see the values which are below average, conditional formatting shows it. The advantage of using conditional formatting is that when your data changes, it will automatically highlight the values based on the revised data. You need not recalculate it. Suppose I change the data in cell D2 from 10,000 to say 2,000. Now my top 20% values comes in cell D5 and D13.